Welcome civil engineers, learn faster with civil engineering tips. Today we are going to learn about these commands: trim, extend, fillet, chamfer, blend, curve and array. And here you can see the command icon as well, trim and extend. And similarly here, fillet, chamfer and blend curves, and the three different options for array: rectangular array, path array and polar array. So let's begin with the shortcut key in the keyboard. For trim you have to type TR. Okay, here you can see trim, and similarly for extend you can type EX. Okay, extend. And fillet you simply type F. And this chamfer and blend are not necessarily used in drawing, but if it makes your drawing easy, or if it makes it easier to make drawing, you can use it. This is optional but not so used. Okay, yeah. You can type CHA for chamfer. Okay, CHA is the shortcut key for chamfer. And then the blend curve, yes, the word itself identifies what it does. Blending the curve, joining two curves, and you can see here there are two different curves, and joining these you can see the description as well when you put your mouse cursor in the command icon. Okay. Similarly for array you can type AR. Array, shortcut key for array is AR. Now let's begin with trim command. Okay, I will draw a line, three different line. Okay, and this one. Okay, I'll make it as red and this as, so that you guys can understand easily. Okay, we'll learn about this layer bar in the future videos. Now for select, I will select these three lines and then enter command TR for trim, and you see here in the mouse cursor, select object to trim or shift select to extend. So now I will use select object to trim. Okay, trim means cutting out. Yeah, I'm selecting this object and this object. Okay, and then it trimmed the line. So now see the second word, select object to trim or shift select to extend. That means pressing the shift key in the keyboard. Okay, now I'm pressing the shift key in the keyboard, and here you can see the red line. I'm pressing the shift key in the keyboard and I'm selecting the red line, and it works as extend command. So these two commands are interrelated. Okay, so I will make it here. I'll make this red line a little bit smaller and selecting these lines and entering command EX. Okay, extend, and then selecting this red line, then this line, extend to this. Okay, similarly extending command repeats. Okay, and by holding shift key we can trim as well. So these two commands are interrelated. So when you type trim command you can use extend as well, and after writing extend command, typing extend command, you can use trim as well. But the main thing is you have to select the objects to use that command. Now moving into the fillet command. Okay, I will use the same line and this, move this. Okay, now fillet means here. Okay, I will extend. Okay, now here you can see fillet means you can join this line. Okay, I will show you. type F for fillet command, and here look in the command line, select first object, selecting this white line, and select second object. Okay, here I am selecting the second object, and it will join this join these two lines. Similarly, we can make curve as well. Here you can see in fillet, here you are seeing this curve line. Yeah, for this we have to simply type F for fillet command, and here you can see trim multiple radius polyline undo. You can use this command as well, but now we need curve here, curve section here. So I'm always saying that look into this blue color highlighted letter. Simply type R and then space bar, select first object or undo polyline, specify fillet radius. Okay, I'm taking radius here as okay, 2 feet. Okay, I'll take it 2 feet, and then look here, select first object, selecting this first object, and then select second object, and then selecting this red line. Here you can see this is how you make curve. Okay, and now now moving into the camphor. C as a shortcut key, camphor, and here you see select first line. Okay, selecting the first line, and then select the second line or shift select to apply corner. Now we'll do this, select second line, selecting the second line. Okay, and this camphor formed. Now I will copy this and delete this camphor, and then using fillet command I will use this two line and repeating the command C as a camphor, and then you can type here, you can use here distance as well, distance for D, and then camphor distance, let's take it as 6 inches. Okay, let's take it as 6 inches. First camphor distance 6 inches, and the second camphor specify second camphor distance as 6 inches. Okay, and then first line, selecting this first line here and select this second line here. Now I will draw the line. Okay, yellow color line, what that we just entered 6 inches line. Yeah, here you can see here the 6 inches, and the check that distance dimension. Let's see dimension, this line, this is 6 inches, and this one is 6 inches that we just gave while entering the camphor command. It creates the camphor, and this part, yellow part, will be on. Okay, this is how you make camphor. Now moving into the blend curve. So first we'll make curve. Okay, there are the various way of making curve. Okay, simply I'm using here SPL, this is spline line, so that I can make curve. Okay, you can use this arc as well for making curves. Now I'm using this. You make this curve. Okay, selecting left key in the mouse, left button, and then press enter, finish it. And I will make another line by repeating the same command. So to use previous command, simply press spacebar and then repeating this command. Okay, and pressing enter. Now go here and blend curves. So select first object, select this first object, select second object, select second object, and these two curves going here. This you can see, this is the first curve we draw. Yeah, I will make here red. Okay, guys can understand. This one is white. Okay, this is our first curve, and this is our second curve, and here you can see the yellow. This is the blending curve, joining two curves. That is how we use this command. Now Now here array, there are three different array command: rectangular array, path array, and the polar array. Now simply make the rectangle, okay, a rectangle of unknown sizes, okay. Here I roughly made this rectangle. Now select this and use first we use rectangular array. Here you can see, and select this here, select this here. When you put your mouse cursor here, you can see the column equals to 4, okay. You select that and you can increase the column here, specify number of columns. I will, okay, let's give it 10. Okay, here you 10 column is formed. Now similarly for here, rows equal to 3. You see here the beside of this mouse cursor, so selecting this, and you can move up, or you can move down, or you can simply specify the number of rows. Let's specify as 5, and this is how you make the rectangular array. Okay, now we can explode it as well. So Control Z. Yeah, by exploding this rectangle becomes individuals. And delete, I will delete it, and here is path array. Okay, I will draw, this is the curve, and I will simply draw a circle. Then I will, so now using a path array, okay, select object, selecting this circle and pressing enter, and you see here select path curve. I'm selecting this curve. Okay, here you can see the circles showing the path. You can increase this number of circles by selecting this here. You can see the icon, select and move your mouse, and the number of circles decreases. Okay, or simply you can, since from here there are the various properties you can use. Okay, and now moving on to the next. Now polar array. Okay, here you can similarly, you can, let's draw a circle, and then another circle. Okay, another circle here. Use polar array, select the object, press enter, select center point of array, okay, or base point, axis of rotation. Now I'm selecting the center point of array. I will select the center of this yellow circle. Here you can change, here 6 items 1 2 3 4 5 6 white circles. Now I will make it 10 count. Here is the 10 circles. Okay, now we can make it as 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and here is the various properties options to change these. Okay, now yeah, we learn about these different commands. Okay, like, share and subscribe to civil engineering tips for learning faster. Peace out.